A question by the Honourable Bridgelaw to ask the Minister for Defence, National Security and Immigration.
Madam Speaker, I rise to ask question number 72, put under my name. The question is directed to the Honourable Minister for Defence, National Security and Immigration. Can the Minister inform the August House on the measures that have been taken by the Department of Immigration to improve the provision of passport services to our people? Thank you.
Thank you. The Honourable Minister for Defence, National Security and Immigration. You have the floor.
Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for the question. For now, the timeline for processing a new applicant is about 5 days. It used to be 15 to 20 days. And for urgent needs, you can be processed in 1 day with a cost of about $190. Or if a mutilated book or replacement is about $340. The checklist for the requirements of a passport had been reviewed, minimized and reviewed with a checklist, and has been disseminated to all the centers in Fiji and also the missions abroad. We already also opened the Lambasa office and so that the people in the north can have access to the facility. In all, we have the Sabu Sabu office, the Nandi office, the Lautok office, and we intend to have also an office in Tawiuni and also in Rakiraki in the near future. The department has been actively involved in carrying out passport awareness in government-organized roadshow and also in a Tikina Council meeting to educate the public of the requirements required in order to get to apply for a passport. We also conducting internal training for customer services within the Department of Immigration in order to educate them of new way of meeting the requirements of the customs. I thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Supplementary question, the Honourable Neta Enrica.
Can the Minister, Honourable Minister for Defence, National Security and Immigration, explain if there are plans in place to print passport from outer station around the country? Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Minister for Defence, National Security and Immigration.
Madam Speaker, there's an ongoing consultation in the result of to enhance machine readable zone in the current passport and the introduction of new security features aligned to the ICAO, the International Civil Aviation Organization, where passport the chip has been included in the passport to get all the information regarding to the person, and also other countries in the world, they go. These people that have those things in the passport, they go through a smart gate, where they don't have to go through with personal interviewing the people, so that make it faster for the services. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Supplementary question.
Madam Speaker, I rise to address the question to the Honourable Minister of Defence, National Security and Immigration. Commendable is the accessibility of the provision of passports locally. It is also noted that this service is available for overseas people who require double citizenry, dual citizenry in accessing passports. Can my question is, can the Minister assure this House the security of availing this provision of this dual ship in these passports in regards to the security of the nation, especially the global threats of ISIS. As you know, Australia, New Zealand, as well as Irian Jaya are prone to these threats, and hopefully they'll put in measures to safeguard our nation. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Minister for Defense.
Madam Speaker, the question is not a supplementary question. It's a totally new question. Thank you.
Thank you.